Hi guys.
Hi people, peeps of God.
Yes, this is
This is our flight to the US. I mean, our journey to the US.
this is the beginning of the trip to US.
Yeah.
We just left church.
Yes.
We just had to come to church.
I mean, look at our choir uniform, all black.
Yes, today choir is wearing all black, so we're all black. And we just finished church service. We managed to finish. Oh my God. We managed to finish, and we're on our way to the airport. We're gonna see my wife's sister, who she has not seen in how long?
Like, I think 2.5 years, or how
Maybe.
many years?
I can't remember.
I can't remember. Was it 2021 she traveled?
She traveled in April.
So
it's
she
been 2
traveled in
years.
March.
She has been 2 years.
It's been 2 years.
And some months.
2 years or so, and like 3 months or so.
And she already has 2 babies.
Yeah.
After
So
traveling.
we are going to take care of the second baby.
Yes,
now.
we're going to take care. We're going to be uncles and aunties indeed.
Yes.
And then we now start our tour. And yeah, so if you want to, keep up with us, keep up on this space. We're going to film as much as we can so that we carry everybody along.
Yeah.
And you just feel like part of the journey.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be our first time in the USA.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about that?
I mean, I feel like it's nice. It's cool.
I just feel normal.
I just feel normal.
If I had not lived in Canada
I'm
for
more
over a
excited
year.
I'm more excited about seeing my sister though.
Yeah, if I had not lived in Canada for over a year, maybe I would be feeling like, oh, US. I just feel like, oh yeah, fine, cool stuff. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm pretty chill about it. I'm going on a tour. The only thing that's giving me a little bit of anxiety is like how we would commute all those places, but
Yeah.
I'm sure we are going to be fine.
This is our first time going on vacation and actually like traveling and seeing places and trying to use their transit system and all this. With the kind of vacation we used to have before, we just stay in a hotel, and even the amenities in the hotel we might not even use half of it. So but we want to be intentional to enjoy this life while it lasts. Because Jesus is coming soon.
Yes.
So Alright
guys, peace out.
Touchdown US. Actually we've touched down some minutes ago.
Yeah, like,
and we had some
over an hour.
buhaha because our flight from Toronto was delayed. We missed our connecting flight to Greensboro.
Yeah.
So I'm going to request a refund because my brother-in-law is coming to pick us up.
And we missed it because there was like
A delay. Yeah, maintenance.
Yeah, there was a delay from the airline. So,
Anyway, we'll see our family in a few minutes.
yeah.
Man of God!
Who be man of God?
Daddy baby!
Daddy, baby.
I'm very loyal.
Hey!
Welcome to United States.
Yes, so.
I collect grace in Nami carry Stalwart lovers enter here. Let's drive. I don't allow Uber or anything to take my glory.
Yeah. Uber cannot take your glory.
Exactly.
Guys, we've touched down.
Yeah, so
Apparently, our bags made it, but we didn't make it.
can you imagine that? We missed our flight because the flight from Toronto was delayed, and even when we got to Charlotte, there was a big plane in front of our plane. Couldn't make our plane, park in good time. All those things, we missed our flight by like 5 minutes. But they moved our luggage and they still told us we can't board. I was looking at the plane, I said, let me enter. They said no. Now they called me that our bags are in Greensboro. Thank God that my line is still active. Anyway, touchdown USA. If you've not filled the form for the meet and greet, you're on a long thing. Alright, you're dulling yourself. Alright, we'll keep you posted, guys.
Alright.
I beg you.
Say hi to the camera. Chloe's not even looking. She's watching Miss Rachel.
Hey guys, how you doing? Live in USA, live from USA. We've been in US since Sunday night, and today is Saturday. We've not vlogged because we've just been busy taking care of our baby. See that baby sleeping over there?
That's the other sister.
That's the big baby now. We have a new baby, and we had the naming a few days ago, so we've been a little bit should I say occupied? Yeah. But yeah, right now we're beginning to try to have some fun, and
we're doing Mogbomoya. Do you guys know what Mogbomoya means? we are party crashing today.
we are party crashing. So
we are pretty much invited, but like we don't even know who's getting married. We don't want to go and eat.
yes, this is the person that is invited though.
Yeah.
Our big daddy here. So, but as per friends of the daddy or family of the daddy, so we are showing up at the party. I think it's a Ghanian wedding.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it. I'm just going there to eat, to be honest. I just want to eat correct Ghanaian jollof and give feedback if it is different from Nigerian jollof or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be there in a bit. We'll just take a few clips. I don't want to compromise people's privacy, and yeah, we'll be out of there. So we're going to the park, we're going to a few places. Once again, if you've not filled the form, we are in US already, and we are having meet and greet in your city, so at least it's sitting near you. If you stay in Greensboro, you stay in Charlotte. If you stay in Dallas, Texas, anywhere in Texas, in DC, Maryland, DMV, we're gonna be in all those places, New Jersey and all that. So you just fill the form in the bio and let us know your interest, because we're already planning. We have a WhatsApp group, and people are coming up, so you don't want us to be in your city and you didn't meet us.
In half a mile, keep right at the fork. Follow
Okay.
signs for I-40.
Okay, Google, thank you. Yeah, all right, guys, see you later.
See you like.
Sister, show your face very well now.
Yes, sir.
Was you fine? Look at how beautiful you look. Guys, am I not enjoying? See what I carry for house. See the person I'm married to. Glory. Glory. Hey, oh yeah. We're done with the party, and babe, how did you feel about it?
The MC and DJ, they were two characters.
Honestly, I don't think that DJ should collect his money.
The MC was like, oh yeah, every time.
It's trying to do like a hype man. Maybe it's from Java.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, every time.
Not oh yeah,
Oh yeah. There was time he dragged it in. Oh yeah. I just got to record it because the music would have been copyright.
The DJ was just like,
Yeah, almost all the time. Kilo day. It's been long I was in a party like that. Our parties in Toronto, they are civil.
they're
civil.
very small most times.
I will focus on games and stuff. Anyway, this is it's
a
African
wedding now.
reception.
Although we've not been to an actual wedding.
Yes.
We've not been to proper,
We've just been to
like a
wedding
small
reception that
wedding.
looks like a get together.
Yeah.
Anyway, I tried Ghana Jollof for the first time. Except the person that cooked the one I ate. Did not cook it well. Nigerian Jollof. Any day, anytime. 6/10, that's my rating. 6/10. 6/10.
Anybody with Ghanaian jollof recipes, they should send it.
And if you know where I can get correct Ghanaian Jollof in US before I go, fine.
Or in Canada.
Or even in Canada, I'd like to actually have maybe a standard one and then compare. But Nigerian Jollof, they slap different. A slapping different from Bala Blue.
From Ghana jollof.
And this auntie here, she was just enjoying the fruits. She ate almost all my fruits: watermelon, strawberry, pineapple. She was just taking it and taking it. Chloe, darling. Anyway, So once again, if you've not filled the form for the meet and greet, we're having a meet and greet in US. Fill it. I'm meeting some people in US and they're like, oh, there's a meet and greet. May not be like say we go down come out. Let me speak correct English. Let it not be that we would have been to your city and left before you found that we were there. That one will not be on us. We have tried. Alright, so check it out. We're gonna be in Dallas, we're gonna be in Maryland, New Jersey, New York. We're just taking our time enjoying the state. But if you guys are, you know, your energy is good, we're gonna arrange to meet with you guys. If not, we're just gonna have a great time by ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, thank you for coming along on this vlog.
Yes.
We're in US, and yes, for the next 1 month we'll be here, so enjoy, anticipate some nice US content. Yeah,
Hopefully.
hopefully, because we've been here 7 days, we did not even pick up our video camera to film, but we'll try our best. Hey, Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna try out Chick-fil-A soon.
Yeah.
I've been hearing a lot. This man has, in fact, Chick-fil-A should come and pay him
It's the best.
ambassadorship fee.
Patented sauce.
Patented. Alright guys, till we come your way again, keep loving.
and keep believing.
We are the Stalwart lovers.
Uncle Bo.
What's up? Hey,
What are you about to do?
I'm about to try Chick-fil-A for the first time.
So this is the Chick-fil-A.
I've been hearing Chick-fil-A,
Fries.
Chick-fil-A.
Some sort of sandwich. Then this Chick-fil-A patented sauce that everybody has been raving about, and a lemonade drink for you. I got
Okay.
some here too, so
This tastes
you
like
need to try it with
normal
the sauce.
fries. Okay. The Chick-fil-A sauce, have you?
You need to shake it, Uncle Boo.
Yeah. Thank God Chick-fil-A is coming to Canada.
Uncle Boo. Bushman, who's inside the main sauce too?
I'm a bushman, so you are married to a bushman.
That actually makes sense. That has sense.
Actually, it's not bad at all. I mean the sauce.
Ten over 10 now.
It's good, sha. Oh, it's Chick-fil-A is the burger. I thought it was just chicken. I thought it was like chicken fillet.
Well, it's chicken is on their logo.
Wow.
I put all the cheeses for you. Sorry, more calories.
Cheese tastes nice.
Bad or no bad?
Chicken is okay. It has a little sharp seasoning. You know, I'm sensitive to sharp seasoning. Very good. I think I love it.
Nice one.
And what about Jerry? Regularly.
Yes, so
One was not be listening to our tune regularly.
usually it jumps like maybe once a month or something.
Ah.
So it's cheat day in a month, not cheat day in a week. Alright. Bye guys.